Instruction before you start workout. You should follow the correct order of exercise. Warm up your body to prevent injuries. You can do 12 to 15 reps on each exercise. Follow the instructions for inhalation and exhalation. Take some rest between each exercise. Drink some water during exercise. Jumping jack. This exercise focuses on all your large muscle groups. Stand with your feet together and your hand at your sides. Jump and kick your legs out to shoulder width and bring your hand over your head. Jump and get back to starting position. Wall sit. This exercise focuses on the quadriceps muscles. Stand a few feet in front of a wall and lean back against it. Slide down until your knees are bent to a 90-degree angle. Hold position. Push-ups. This exercise focuses on the triceps, shoulder, chest, back, and legs. Place hands on the floor directly underneath your shoulder. Position your toes on the ground. Look forward and lower your chest until it's a few inches from the ground. Keep your body straight from heel to head. Exhale and push back up quickly. Abdominal crunches. This exercise focuses on the abdominals muscles and the obliques. Lie face up on the floor with knees bent. With hands behind ears, raise your body off the floor, hold for 1 second and slowly return to starting position. Repeat. Step up onto the chair. This exercise focuses on the legs and buttocks. Stand in front of the chair. Step onto the chair with one foot, followed by the other. Pause and step down. Then step up the chair again leading with the other foot. Squats. This exercise focuses on the lower body, hips, buttocks, quads, hamstring and thighs. Stand with your feet wider than your hips and feet pointed slightly out. Begin bending your knees until parallel to the floor with your back as straight as possible. Push back up until standing position. Repeat it again. Triceps dips. This exercise focuses on the triceps. Sit on floor with knees bent, feet flat. Lean torso back 45 degrees and place palms on floor under shoulders, fingers facing out. Bring left knee to chest and place left foot atop right knee. Bend elbows directly behind you and lift hips a few inches. Plank. This exercise focuses on the abdomen, back, and shoulders. Lay on your stomach and push yourself off the ground. Rest your weight on your forearms and keep the body straight from heel to head. Hold the position for the length of the exercise. You can make the exercise easier or harder by varying the position of your forearms. High stepping. This exercise focuses on all the body muscles. Run in place while lifting our knees as high as you can. Swing arms as if you are running normally. Lunges left and right. This exercise focuses on the quadriceps, gluteus, maximum and hamstrings. Keep your upper body straight, with your shoulders back and relaxed and chin up. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push against your heels to return back to starting position and repeat with other leg. Push up and rotation left and right. This exercise focuses on the chest, arms, shoulder and core. Perform a push-up. At top, rotate the body into a side plank position. With one arm on the ground and the other extended toward the ceiling. Rotate back to top of push-up position. Perform push-up and repeat rotation to opposite side. Slide plank left and right. This exercise focuses on the abdominal muscles and obliques. Lay on your stomach and bend your elbows 90 degrees and rest your weight on your forearm. Rotate 90 degrees so all weight is on one forearm. Hold position.